So as we saw earlier, when you do a cut and then you put the name of the file there, it's going to show you the content of the file. But when I do the redirection and I say cut and then I pass in the name of the item, ideally, what we're saying is that we just want to replace whatever we have in the file with what we put in there now. And so now, if I go back and do a cut, you realize that it's replacing what we had earlier on with the new one. But maybe that's not what you want. You want to do an append rather than a write. So instead of doing just one direction, you do double, and then you use that, and then it's just going to be a new line. So that is it's still going to maintain the previous line, and then you quickly add a new line to it. That's what that will be doing. So once again, if we do a cut and then we observe that, you realize that there's a new kind of file, so a new kind of line in the file. So this is a quick way of using the cut.